Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Halloween DIY, and this one is going to be super simple and everything is from the Dollar Tree except for the paint. But I'm pretty sure you can get paint from the Dollar Tree. And you should still be able to get this eek sign, and if not, I'm sorry. I'm kind of behind on doing my Halloween DIYs this year because I've had a lot of technical difficulties lately. So anyway, and it's dark here, so I was trying to at least get this part of the video shot and then finish it tomorrow. But I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you what you guys are going to need. So you're going to need one of the eek signs from the Dollar Tree. You're also going to need some paint. I'm going to be using this apple barrel paint, and it is just in the color black. Let's see. I'm also going to be using, I grabbed 2 packages of these googly eyes. There's 125 in here. I'm hoping that I have enough. So we'll be using those. And then you'll also need a hot glue stick and a hot glue gun and some glue sticks. So, like I said, real easy, inexpensive. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'm just going to be painting my sign. I'm painting it just a flat black, and everybody probably knows how to paint, so I'm going to go ahead and paint my sign black and let it dry. And then if it needs another coat, I'll give it a second coat. And then I will come back and I'll show you what the next step is. Okay, so now that this is all painted and it is dry, the next thing that we're going to do is just take some of these googly eyes that I got from the Dollar Tree, and we're just going to start gluing them all over in just various places just to fill the sign up. Really easy, not real hard to do, so this is all we're going to be doing. I'm going to put all different sizes on here because there's several different sizes on here, and I'm just going to fill it up the way that I want it with all different sizes. And if you've noticed, I changed my mat here. The other one that I had was not looking too good. So it was time for a new one. And I've had this one sitting back for a little while, so I thought I'd go ahead and pull it out and use it. So I'm going to go ahead and just start gluing all these little eyeballs on, all these little googly eyes, and as soon as I am done with that, I will come back and show you guys the end result. Okay guys, this is what it looks like now that it's done. I think it turned out really cute. I've got it hanging out here on my front porch. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I wish that you would. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.